Hi guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different, just like our world is right now. Right now, it is so easy to get wrapped up in all of the negative headlines of everything that's canceled and everything that's going on in the world. So today, let's focus on the good and what's not canceled because there's so much of it. When we look back at this time, I want to remember the positivity that brought and kept us all together. I've seen and said hi to more neighbors outside in the last 2 months than in the entire 6 years I've lived in my house. Birthdays are not canceled. In fact, 2020 will be the year of the birthday parade and yard signs. Gratitude is absolutely not canceled. Our frontline workers are finally getting the recognition they have always deserved. Artistic expression, creativity, support, and the ability to uplift are not canceled. It is impossible to walk through my neighborhood or any of the surrounding neighborhoods without seeing some sort of chalk masterpiece. Spring is not canceled. In fact, I'd go so far as to say it is straight up showing off at this point. Between the mix of sunshine and rain, there are trees and flowers blooming in every direction. Community is not canceled, and while we're at it, Detroit isn't canceled either. One drive downtown will give you the biggest sense of togetherness. While everything may be closed off and look deserted right now, there are signs of promise everywhere, letting us know better days are ahead and we will all be together again soon. If you're wondering if your favorite places miss you, spoiler alert, they do. Strength, kindness, support, and hope are not canceled. They've shown up in storefronts in every single city we went through. Rainbows, hearts, signs, artwork, and much needed reminders are literally lining the streets. This is the first time in my 33 years on Earth that I've seen the world as united as it is right now. We're all fighting for the same solution against a common problem. We all crave the same things: human interaction, hugs, time with our family and friends, meals from our favorite restaurants, and the ability to walk into a public place without a worry in the world. If you haven't already, I urge you to take a look around at all of the beautiful, colorful, happy, wonderful things around you. They are there, I promise. Holidays and surprises are certainly not canceled.
Holy crap, look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Oh, get a mug. What a nice card. I don't know. Thank you. Oh, what a wonderful surprise. Oh my goodness. I can't have these dishes. It's terrible. Ah, thank you. I love you. I love you. I love you all so much. 6 feet. Let's see.
So we figured we would stay and sit and talk when we talked to her.
Aww. Thank you. Family is not canceled. My sister had her second son, and although I haven't been able to meet him because of this, he's growing, healthy, and absolutely adorable. And when this is all over, my entire family will be smothered with love. Dates are not canceled. And most importantly, love is not canceled. Good things are not canceled. Here are some of the best things that have happened to you during quarantine. And if none of this has convinced you yet, then just listen to this building. Everything is going to be all right.